Okay, this is the mod I made for my Mini Uzi SMG bullet mod. Okay, what you need to do make it is the tape. It doesn't really matter, duct tape, electrician's tape, scotch tape probably wouldn't work that good. Okay, so what you do, get an empty foam canister, hit a hole in the bottom. You can see. Make sure it's only big enough for one BB bullet to go in at a time. Or else you might jam your gun, wreck it. So, okay, after that, you if you want to be able to see the sights still, then what you do is you get a pen that's big enough, like part of a pen that's big enough for BB bullet to go through. So you see, right here, that BB bullet can go in there. I just dropped it, who cares? And then I put it on a slant like that, so you can still see the sights on the gun. And then you just tape that on. As you see in there, it's in the pen parts in a slant in there too. So I just taped it all together there, and you just tape it onto your gun like that, so you can still see the sights, and it works good. It's kind of hard to tape this to the gun without putting too much tape on, but you can't see the bullet. I mean the sights. So tell me how good this works for you. Thanks for watching. Please comment.